I'm starting off by wetting my hair. The first thing I'm using is Gélic Hair Care Scalp Sugar. When I tell y'all this scalp sugar smells so amazing. Now I'm going to move on to the other side. After rinsing the scalp sugar out, my hair felt so soft. Now I'm using this Biotin Boost Thickening Shampoo. Next, I'm following up with the Biotin Boost Thickening Conditioner. And I just like to take my time and finger detangle. And the last thing I'm using is Aussie's 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I love this stuff so much. It gives my hair so much slip and so much moisture. Put on a plastic cap and I left it on for about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse it out. Now I'm just going to flat twist my hair. I'm going to use an old t-shirt to dry my hair. After a few hours of air drying, I'm going in with Mayo Organics Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'm putting the Hair Stimulating Growth Oil from Gélic Hair Care's Scalp Therapy Kit on my scalp, and then I'm just going to rub that in. Now I'm going to use the Hair Whip from Gélic Hair Care Scalp Therapy Kit. Just rub that into my hair to seal in the moisture. And then I'm just going to French braid my hair so it can dry overnight. And then I'm going to style it the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.